Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to search baby face Capcut templates, the new trend on TikTok. So the first you can open your TikTok app, then click template here, then go to the search column, then write baby face template. And this is a template that you can choose. I want to choose this one. Click on it, then click use template. Choose your pictures or photos. I want to add these photos and click next. So this is the result. To export this video, you can click on the export, then click export without watermark. So this is how to search baby face Capcut template, the new trend on TikTok. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.